With the autumn upon us and the nights drawing in, it's the perfect excuse to get some me time with Justhands-on.tv video workshops, tips, techniques and interviews. We catch up with Julia Gehagen as she talks to Valerie Nesbitt about her amazing award-winning miniature shadow applique quilts. And later in the month, Julia shows us her lovely miniature quilt kits, which you could work on with her at the Just Hands On retreat in November. October sees us reach part 2 of the Tudor Rose Table Runner, designed by Nancy Adamek of Lena Patchwork, which is a brilliant project for all those English paper piecing fans, and a fabric kit is now available. Valerie brings us some great workshops this month, starting with this fascinating chop suey technique, which is great for jelly rolls. She shows us how to stitch and flip a whole quilt and presents a lovely Bargello table mat workshop. Lynette Harris, the Stitch Witch, returns with some evocative, do-it-yourself Celtic designs, and Gina Ferrari shows us some very simple ways to make our own tassels with the help of the sewing machine. Finally, our Throwback Thursday for October is the lovely Dee Paramore, who shares with us various methods of tie-dyeing fabric. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.